Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by naming exactly what pulls at your attention. Speak the top 3 stressors aloud or jot them down. Once done, make sure the environment is set. Phone on Do Not Disturb, a seat, and a glass of water. Begin with a 60-second grounding scan. Notice feet, breath, shoulders. You'll notice tension shift quickly when you tighten then release each area. This signals your nervous system you're taking control and primes you for the next deeper steps. You now layer regulation tools to move stress out of your mind. Start box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4 for 3-5 cycles to slow heart rate. Once steady, add progressive muscle release. Tense, hold 5 seconds, then release each group head to toe. Meanwhile, label intrusive thoughts with a word like worry or planning, then gently redirect to the breath. This combination shifts physiology and cognitive focus. You finish by integrating what you learned into a tiny plan. Reframe the problem, choose one concrete next action and write it down, then anchor the session with a 1-minute breath or a sensory cue like touch of fabric. This helps cement calm into your day. If your mind keeps racing, try the troubleshooting tip. Stop and take a 3-minute brisk walk to change context and reset cognition. If that fails, repeat the grounding plus box breathing cycle until you regain ease.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.